Hey everybody, Chelsea here, and I am back with yet another video. So today I am going to be using the Natasha Denona Yucca palette. This is literally my second big palette that I got from her. The first one I got was the Glam palette, which I got 2 years ago. And for the most part, all the other eyeshadow palettes that I had was, or have, is all her mini ones. Like I have like 5, 6 of her mini palettes, but this is literally my second big palette that I purchased. And I actually, you know, well, never, hold on. You can get this, let me pull this back up. You can get this at either Ulta or Sephora for $69 or $69.99, I'm not sure. But I actually got it from the Natasha Denona website using one of my favorite influencers, Angelica Nevkis's code to get 15% off. And I ended up spending just $59. So without further ado, let's get started and let's play in this palette. All right. Okay, so I took it out of the box that it came in, and this is what the outside looks like, and then here's the back of it. Like, I'm pretty sure y'all don't care what the back looks like, so, but this is what it looks like. And then I'm like, open it. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Let me show you what the inside looks like. This is what the inside looks like. It's very, there's some greens in there, some neutral colors. You know, I'm really want to play with the greens mostly, especially this one in the corner right here. I really want, I don't know what it is, like I love like dark green, and green is also my husband's favorite color, so sometimes I just like to wear like his favorite colors just to, you know, make him happy, you know what I'm saying? But hold on, let me take this little plastic off the mirror because I really have a bad habit of leaving these on. So there you go. But yes, let's get started. And thankfully this has a mirror in there, thank God, because where would we be? All right, so yeah. So I'm gonna be using my Cinch Beauty brushes to do this. So yes, it's a given. So I first want to go in, this is a tough one. I think I'm gonna go in with this one just to, as my base, I guess you could say. Like this one, this is called Fuchsia right here. Just go in, I'm gonna just use this little honey brush. Ooh. Go dip in here and then just press that on there, and you know the pigment is there. I always used to say that pigmentation is very important to me when it comes to using an eyeshadow palette. It just is. I don't know why, it just is. I can't speak for everybody else, but to me, pigmentation is very important to me. So yeah, I'm going to just roll with it. Okay, I'm gonna just roll with it. Oops. I literally just poked my eyebrow, and thankfully none of this got on it, and I wouldn't look weird. But yeah, just about to just, I don't like to go in circles because how my eye is set up. And if you hear like a loud noise or whatever, I had to turn on my heat because I live in Ohio, okay? And Ohio is known for bipolar weather. Like sometimes one minute be hot, another minute be cold, next minute want to rain, next minute wants to snow. It don't know what the hell it want to do. So I had to literally turn on my heat because it was really cold. It was really like chilly outside, and it's supposed to be, it's June, you know, and June is supposed to be summertime. Not here. Like it wants to take its sweet old time to warm up warm up, should I say. But that is Ohio weather for you. Take my advice. If y'all are living anywhere else in the United States, please do not move here. Don't do it. Because you're going, it's like I said, this weather is very unpredictable. So just take my advice, don't move here. Okay. Okay, you guys know that I said I was going to go in with this fuchsia color. No, I didn't. My dumb ass literally was not paying attention and was using this color called Exia right here. Like, but you know what? We're going to make it work. We're going to just roll with it, okay? But I think I'm still going to use this one, the fuchsia color anyway. And just to put some lightness into this. So let's go. I'm just going to use this one. This is the EO5 brush. I'm just going with fuchsia. And thankfully this has a built-in mirror or I'd be totally lost. Just saying, I would be totally lost. But yeah, I'm going to just add this in there just to add some lightness to it. So yes, it works. Like I said, we're going to make this work. We're going to make this work. That's the sole purpose, you know. I've said this before in a video I made a couple months back, like Bob Ross, you know, the famous painter, Bob Ross, when he says, whenever you mess up or whatever, don't look at it as you messed up. Look at it as like happy mistakes. So this was a happy mistake. So we're just going to go with that. I made a happy mistake. So yeah, but we're still going to make this work. And it looks good nonetheless. Made that, add some lightness to it, you know. And that's pretty cool. I think I kind of want to play with this light green one in the corner, in the shade Camu. I'm not sure. I'm debating if I want to do that or not. I don't know. We're just going to roll with it. But I think I might add like a little bit. I don't know. I'm very indecisive, you know. I'm very indecisive. So this is what we're looking like so far. See? All right. So I think I might just go in and use this light lime green, neon green Camu. And using the same brush, I'm just going to just lightly tap it. And just, okay, just lightly tap it, just add some greenness to that. Before I go in with Willow, just want to add this tad bit of Camu on here. Just a tad bit, not a whole lot, just a tad bit. Okay, so this is what we got here with adding the Camu shade. So of course, now it's time to go in with the shade Willow. And I'm going to be using this flat brush. This is the EO4. Oh wait, no. I'm going to use this one, the EO1 brush. And I'm going to just tap it on my corner here. The outer corner anyway. You know, oh no, never mind. Just tap this in here like so. Let's add that green in there. I feel like with this, I have to like put some color into it because let me remind you guys that I am a neutral girl. But today, I'm going to do like a mixture of neutral. What the hell's wrong with me? I can't talk for shit today. I'm going to add, like I said, I was adding neutral with some color to it because it's always good to add some color to like a neutral look. Doesn't matter what it is, but it's always good to add some color in there once in a while, you know? Just to brighten up the look, you know? So this is what we got. Like I decided the very last minute I was going to do a halo type of eye. That's why it looks like this. But yeah, this is what we got. Like I'm kind of like, I don't know. Okay, I don't know what to use because there's like shimmers here. Like I don't know which one to use. But I'm debating on going with Makia or Kamarebai. I cannot pronounce that, and I'm not going to try it to pronounce it. So I think I might go in using this one. I'm not going, like, once again, I'm not going to pronounce the name because I'm not going to put myself through that type of torture, but I'm going to use this one, okay? And with this, oh, look at that. Look at that. That is cute. That is so pretty. So I'm gonna just tap that in. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. We're going somewhere with this. We are going places with this, okay? But you know what? With Natasha Denona, I'm not surprised because her palettes are literally on point with the pigmentation and the shimmers and stuff. So this is no surprise, okay? It's really not. Like, I'm not even surprised by this, okay? This is Natasha Denona. And plus, for the simple fact her stuff is very expensive, I would hope that the palette is going to be good in pigment and whatnot. So yes, it's perfect. It's perfect. Perfecto. So this is what we got. Really, like, I love this. This is usually when I have it like this, I'll be very skeptical on the look itself until I put my lashes and my liner on. But this one, I love. This is one of my favorite looks that I did. Okay, like, this is perfect to me. It is. This is really nice for me. So yeah, I'm going to put on lashes and my liner on and do some touch up on my foundation and stuff, and I'm gonna be back to show you guys the finished look, so stay tuned. Okay y'all, so here is the finished look and I am absolutely in love. So I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on this, and just pretty much this is an awesome palette. I can definitely see myself using this more with different looks and everything. Like, this palette is everything. Like, it had weird names for shades. Sorry, let me get this little piece of hair off. But anyway, it had like weird names that I couldn't pronounce for the shades, but nonetheless, this is a great palette. And this is just, you know, I love this, you know, definitely worth $69. Well, $59 because I use a discount code, but yeah, you get my drift, you know what I'm saying? So I kind of want to show you guys what I used for, I'm not going to show you every single thing, but just, you know, blush and what I use for blush and lips and stuff like that. Okay, so for blush, I use this one from the Sephora collection. This is the shade Hot Flush, and I was not an orange blush kind of girl until I saw this one girl that I follow on TikTok use this blush, and I kind of wanted to try it out for myself, and I love it, you know what I'm saying? But you have to literally use this with a light hand because this is super pigmented, and you don't want too much on your face or else you're gonna look weird. But yeah, this is the blush I use, and then the highlighter, this is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. And for lashes, this is the style Y102. This is from the brand Yelly Cosmetics. I will put their Instagram info in the description box, and also I have an affiliate code with them. It is Chelsea J. And feel free to check them out and use my discount code to get 10% off your purchase. So yeah, there's that. And for my lips, of course, I use my Natasha Denona I Need a New Lip. And this is the shade Natasha, of course, with the matching lip liner. This is also the shade Natasha in the gloss. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. This is what I use. This is what my lip combo is. But yes, that is everything that you see here. Yeah, so that's everything for today. And feel free to like and comment and subscribe to my channel before you guys leave today. I hope you guys having a blessed and prosperous day or night wherever you are. And remember, you are beautiful, you are strong, and you can make it through any type of problems or crisis that you're going through in life. So with that being said, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.